In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy an app in Base44. This process starts with building your app. Let's begin by navigating to base44.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in to your account. After logging in, you'll notice a prominent button labeled Start Building. Click on that to initiate your app creation process. In this phase, you'll want to give your app a clear and compelling description. This is not only important for understanding its functionality, but also helps to guide the customization of your design. Take your time here. Choosing the right layout and visual elements is crucial to ensuring that your app delivers the best possible user experience. With the basic design and description in place, it's time to move on to testing your app. This is a vital step to ensure everything functions as intended. Click the Preview button to get a sense of how the app looks from a user's perspective. At this stage, you need to test all the buttons, links, and pages. Make sure to check for any potential issues, such as broken links or buttons that don't respond. This is your chance to iron out any kinks, so be thorough and don't rush through this step. After testing, and once you're confident that your app operates smoothly, it's time to publish. Look towards the top right corner of your dashboard. There, you'll find the Publish button. Clicking on this will make your app live and available to users. It's an exciting step and a testament to all the hard work you've put in. As a final note, it's worth mentioning that deploying an app is more than just following technical steps. It's about bringing your vision to life in a way that others can engage with and appreciate. Don't be afraid to revisit any step and make adjustments as needed. And remember that the goal is to create an app that not only functions well, but also resonates with its audience. So that's it for today's tutorial. By following these steps, you've learned how to effectively deploy an app using Base44. If you encounter any difficulties during the process, don't hesitate to reach out to Base44's support for additional help. Deploying an app can seem daunting at first, but with clear and consistent steps, you can make it a seamless experience. Thanks for watching, and happy developing!